Is- Now today we are taking future perfect continuous tense. This is the last tense in the topic of tense. There are two helping verbs, will have been and shall have been. So two helping verbs are in this tense. Now there are three patterns. Number one pattern is affirmative sentence. The pattern is subject plus will have been and shall have been plus ing form of the main verb. It is also known as present participle form of the main verb plus since or for plus time. So since and for plus time is compulsory in this tense. For example, she will have been learning dancing for 2 hours. So for plus 2 hours, for plus time, for 2 hours. So this is present future continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. Second example is we shall have been studying in this college for 3 hours, for 3 years. So for plus time, it is future perfect continuous tense. Now negative sentence, subject plus will or shall plus not have been plus present participle form of the main verb plus since or for plus time. So will or shall plus not have been. So not is put between will have been and shall have been. For example, she will not have been working hard since morning. Next, we shall not have been studying in this college for 3 years. Now see the interrogative pattern. Will or shall we put first of all at the beginning of the sentence we will write will or shall. After that subject plus have been plus ing form of the main verb plus since or for plus time and mark of interrogation. For example, shall we have been waiting for him since 5 o'clock and mark of interrogation. Will that lazy boy have been sleeping for half an hour, mark of interrogation. Now use of this tense is used to express the continuation of an action. Continuation of an action for a period or for a point of time in the future tense, in the future time. For example, they will have been playing for 3 hours. So for plus time, continuation of an action in the future time. They will have been playing for 3 hours. Second use is the use of since, for and all with time as well as by plus time clause or by plus time clause is given, then the time clause is in the present simple tense. In this formation you will find two tense, present simple tense and future perfect continuous tense. For example, by the end of this month, by plus time clause, we shall have been working hard for 2 months. So for plus time shows continuation of an action and by plus time shows present simple tense. Next example, when he arrives here, I shall have been doing this work for an hour. I shall have been doing this work for an hour. For plus time, continuation of the action, and when he arrives here, it is time clause. So time clause is in the present simple tense and the next sentence will be in the future perfect continuous tense. Okay, thank you.